Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we're going to be looking at some impressive construction tools. Make sure to subscribe if you want more content like this. Concrete saws are used for cutting tiles, floors, and asphalt. They are also known as road saw cutters. Perfect TRAC has built a unique cutter that is very light in weight, very handy in use, and incredibly powerful in cutting. Because of its low design, it vibrates much less than a standard concrete blade. You can connect it with a vacuum pump to make the whole operation dust-free. Its pointer guide will help you in cutting straight. Plaster is very commonly used in construction works, but workers lose a considerable amount of it while working. If this work is done with JETSET Pro, a lot of material can be saved, as its valve ensures complete control over material flow and spray pressure. You can also change its nozzle to fit the job requirements. It is also used in decorative plaster. Due to its speed and effectiveness, it cuts down on labor costs and loss of materials. Here, we'll be looking at the MILWAUKEE M18. Its cordless power system makes it mobile at construction sites. You can easily replace its lithium battery in no time at all. You can precisely select the flow rate and bead width. Its anti-dripping system instantly stops material from dripping upon trigger release. Moreover, its constant flow technology offers a steady flow rate and even beads at all viscosity levels. Excavators are mainly used for digging and material handling, but new innovative attachments have expanded their capabilities. Just take a look at the HOLMS brush, which can be fitted to any excavator or machine with a boom arm. The HOLMS brush functions like a broom. Then, whether you want to clean the remaining gravel or the snow from a bus stop, this brush can effectively clean it all in just a single sweep. Everyone enjoys to paint at least a little bit, but if you want to make your life a bit easier, here's the fabulous WAGNER paint sprayer. You can fill it with wall, wood, metal, or any other type of paint. It can paint a 15 square meter wall in just 6 minutes. If you wanted to, you could probably paint your entire house in a single day. The VM401 is a brand new and innovative solution for the installation of block paving. It is setting new standards with its extraordinary comfort, high carrying capacity, and modular design. Established VM features such as the robust chassis and double articulated steering have also been incorporated. A powerful 4-cylinder diesel engine provides ample output reserve. Its spacious cabin has been separated from the chassis, and the simple joystick operation improved for increased driver comfort. The MALCO PWS1 PEX stapler is ideal for installing in-floor radiant heating. This lightweight and portable manual stapler has a magazine feed and works from a standing position to quickly secure a PEX pipe layout to a wooden subfloor or foam board base. The stapler head holds the PEX in place while staples are fed to the plunger assembly via a non-stick polymer slide. To improve the smoothness of the stapling action, loading strips of 25 staples are joined together flush with a clean plastic weld. Pneumatically controlled jacks come with a high-strength diaphragm and an internal telescopic guide. These have a limit stop device as well as a safety valve, making them impressively reliable in the event of excessive loads. These jacks are ideal for tire repairs and body shops because they are silent, simple, and lightweight, and you can use these on column lifts. You can expect upwards of 2.2 tons of lifting capacity from these 17-kilogram jacks. The VACWERKS VW150 is a vacuum-based laying machine. It enables you to quickly lift anything weighing up to 52 pounds, such as wet cast and natural stones. It can be operated by 2 people or with a boom arm forklift. The VW150 is best suited for porous, dry cast materials. If you want to effortlessly remove anything written on your wall without damaging the original paint, then this eco-friendly cleaning solution has a lot to offer. It is an excellent substitute for pressure washers or dry ice blasting. The operation is minimally abrasive, which protects the surface from being harmed. The closed circuit does not require the use of any protective clothing. Because the system operates without high pressure, water, or chemicals, costly disposal of soiled cleaning materials is not needed. Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when we release new content.